Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to set up Spotify Connect and use it as a remote control for Phantom. Before we begin, make sure you have a phone, laptop, or tablet with the latest Spotify app. Using the Devialet app, make sure Phantom is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now launch the Spotify app and play any track you like. If you are using the mobile application, click on the speaker icon at the bottom left of the screen and select your Phantom. If Phantom does not appear, please ensure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using a computer, click on the speaker icon located on the left of the volume bar and select Phantom. That's it. Phantom is connected. Thank you for watching. We wish you an excellent listening.